and sit out and shut the up.
That was the tame part of a suburban mayor's profanity-laced meltdown at a public meeting. Tonight, the mayor of Melrose Park says he's sorry, but the man that tirade was aimed at isn't buying it. Here's CBS 2's Jermont Terry.
There are apologies, profane words, and insensitive comments all coming from the Melrose Park mayor here at City Hall. Let's break down why the mayor is saying he's sorry. Inside Melrose Park City Hall, audio recordings captured Mayor Ron Serpico on a profane rant.
So do me a favor and sit out and shut the up. How's that, you little prick?
Mike Causey is the man the mayor is talking to.
I just recorded it. I just started recording.
Causey captured the recording during a public meeting after he says he came to speak out against these tickets his family keeps getting because of the furniture on their front yard.
We're getting $500 tickets every day since December 1st.
Yet when it came time for public comment, the mayor did not want to hear a word from Causey, and the mayor let it rip.
Yeah, because you live like a piece of shit. You're like a hillbilly.
No, I don't.
You're like a
There's
hillbilly.
chairs outside. There's chairs outside. We're not bothering nobody.
No, you're a joke. You're a waste of humanity.
Nobody should say words like that. I mean, in a public setting. I mean, he's the mayor.
Yet the mayor doesn't stop there, hurling the long-used ethnic slur to describe black shoe shiners.
You look like a shine on 15 because you're doing it to bust balls. That's what you're doing. So go
You're busting my balls.
Go yourself.
Thursday night, hours after the audio was released, Mayor Serpico says, "I regret making these comments. This resident has repeatedly harassed me and the Village Board of Trustees, and in this instance, my frustration got the better of me. I apologize for my comments and pledge to do better in the future." He's offering an apology tonight. Do you accept that apology?
Absolutely not. Apology not accepted.
And why is that, Mike?
Because he should resign for something like that.
The mayor has been here at City Hall for several decades and mentioned no sign of resigning. Causey says he's going to keep coming to city council meetings until the tickets stop. In Melrose Park, Jermont Terry, CBS 2 News.